Hi there, and today I'm replacing this broken safety catch, or the assembly safety, on a Manfrotto tripod head. This is a fluid head, but the fitting is pretty much the same across most of the range. This is the broken end of the tab here, and it normally fits underneath the plate lock lever. It holds the lever open to allow easy fitting of a camera, but it also prevents you accidentally opening the lever. Now, I ordered the part from manfrottospares.com. Other sellers of course are available. Just do a bit of research online. I typed in the name of the head, and then I got a diagram with all the available spares listed. The safety catch is shown here. Its numbers are 103808. So it's very straightforward to find that, add it to a basket and get it sent over. It was just over £8 plus postage in the UK. That's about €10 or $12 online, but do check with your local supplier. Mine arrived in the post the very next day. Well, let's get going disassembling this. First of all, we're going to take the head off the tripod. So step one is to take off the panning handle that just gets in the way, and then turn the tripod on its side and undo the 3 grub screws that lock the head into place. These are just simple plain screws, and then unscrew the head from the column. Next up, we need to get rid of the old catch. The pivot pin that it rocks on sits in a simple clasp under the base. I'm going to use a small screwdriver in these tiny little access holes here to push the pivot out of the mounting. Turn the head upside down, and there it will just fall out. And here's the old one. Top tip, don't throw it away just yet. The pristine new catch won't slot in underneath the plate lock. That's pretty much the whole point of it being there. So the lock has to come off too. The retaining screw is underneath here, and it comes undone using a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you lift off the plate lock, make sure you remove the little tension spring underneath here as well, and don't lose it. They don't come as an individual spare part. If you lose it, that's going to be 12 quid. You might find that the new pivot arm is a bit shorter than the original one. The original one's here at the top, but just swap them over. Simple as that. Now, to fit your brand new catch, feed it down through this access slot here, then pull it back and up until the pivot clips into place. To replace the plate lock, first slide the spring back into place on the shaft, and then carefully push the lock into place. Make sure you catch the spring, the side spur of the spring, in the channel, and then rotate the lever and press it down into position. Replace the retaining screw with its washer, again using a Torx 15 screwdriver. It's tight enough when the screwdriver turns the lock itself. Then just double check the operation of the safety catch and the plate lever. Do it a few times just to make sure everything's in place and everything's nice and tight. When the plate lever is cocked like this against the safety, you should just be able to slot in a tripod plate and it should automatically catch. Then you can screw the head back onto the tripod base all the way until it starts turning against the friction of the head, and then just tighten up the grub screws with a straight bladed screwdriver. With the panning bar back in place, the job is done and you're ready to go. If you found this useful, then please do remember to give us the old thumbs up underneath here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see what else we've been getting up to. See you next time.